Welcome back to another episode of Georgia Forages, the digital series. My name is Dr. Lisa Baxter, and I'm your University of Georgia State Forage Extension Specialist. Today we're going to talk about sprayer maintenance. Most weeds and insects have a very short window for chemical control, and so we need our equipment to be ready at a moment's notice. Regular equipment maintenance is often overlooked, especially at the start of the season. Let's walk through a few simple steps to help improve the efficiency of our spray system. Most boom sprayers will have these basic parts: a PTO, some sort of pump, pressure regulator gauge, spray tank, and an assortment of hoses, nozzles, tips, filters, and strainers. Inspect your system for signs of wear. Make sure the PTO is fully operational and compatible with the tractor that you wish to spray with. The mainline filter in the system right before the pump should be cleaned regularly and replaced if needed, because this is one of the main causes of pump failure. The pump should be inspected for cracks, leaks, and overall performance. Check all valves for possible leaks and loose seals. The pressure regulator gauge should be functioning and easy to read. Pressure accuracy and consistency are critical for effective application of chemicals. Inspect the tank for any cracks and worn seals. Some systems may have an agitation system. If so, make sure the paddles or other devices for recirculation are mobile and working properly. Hoses and connections are often overlooked on a spray system. Check all hoses for cracks, tears, and signs of wear or brittleness, because cracked hoses can accumulate residues. Check every connection for leaks and cracks. Replace any broken parts immediately. Nozzles and spray tips must be functioning to consistently deliver the chemical across the width of the travel area. There are many different options here, so make sure you're replacing parts with similar droplet size, capacity, spray pattern, pressure rating, etc. It's a good idea to keep a few extra just in case of a mid-season emergency. Filters and strainers in the spray tips and lines help protect the system from clogging and other damage. Clean these out often and replace as needed to help ensure the longevity of your spray system. One of the easiest ways to maintain your sprayer is to clean the tank and system after every use. Drain and empty the tank in an appropriate area. Triple rinse the tank with clean water before cleaning all filters. Run clean water through the system to flush out all hoses and nozzles. You may need to clean the outside of your sprayer as well. If you are switching between chemicals, then it's a good idea to use a detergent like a household ammonia, chlorine bleach, commercial tank cleaner, or household detergent. Each one has their own purpose and precautions, so check the chemical label to see which detergent is recommended. Commercial tank cleaners and detergents help remove water and oil-soluble herbicides. Commercial tank cleaners usually perform better than a household detergent and raise the pH to deactivate some herbicides in addition to dissolving them. Chlorine bleach lowers the pH of the solution, which enhances degradation of some herbicides. And ammonia pH also increases the pH of the solution, which increases the solubility of some chemicals. One note of caution: we never want to mix chlorine bleach and ammonia or chlorine bleach with fertilizers containing ammonia, as it can produce a dangerous chlorine gas. Finally, give the sprayer one more good rinse with clean water before storing it for the next use or at the end of the season.